Assalamualaikum student. So this is a lecture second from lesson number 5, and we will learn in this lecture the types of substances. Actually we have learned already, and now we have to solve the table which is in on your page number 28. Okay, so we have learned the types of substances, that is atom, element, molecules and a compound. So I hope you remember that, and after that table we will learn the atomic theories. So we have to study the structure of an atom. So before that we have to see the theories of the atoms given by different scientists. So in this theories we will learn the first one, that is a Dalton's theory. Okay, now in previous lecture we have learned the concept of atom, element, molecule and a compound. Okay, so now as I told you to, after that we have to solve a table that is based on a types of substances. Here it is. So it is on your page number 28. So in this table there are some substances given with their formula. See here, a substance is water, oxygen, helium, hydrogen, ammonia, nitrogen, methane, argon, neon and the chlorine. So these are the some substances with their chemical formula H2O, O2, so on. So we have to tick that whether the substance is atom, यानी जो atom आपको दिया है, whether it is an atom or it is a molecule, or if it is a molecule having a single types of molecule or a different single types of atom in that molecule, or having a different types of atom in that molecule, or whether it is an element or a compound. Okay, so let's start. So some are already solved here, and some we have to. So first see the water. So you know that previous lecture about the water and the molecular formula. So water is a molecule, and water having a different types of atom in a molecule. HNO you have learned, and you know the it is a compound because compound is a having a different types of atom, and elements define that it is a pure substances which have a same types of atom. Okay, now come to the next, that is O2, oxygen. So oxygen is also a molecule because it is made up of oxygen and oxygen atom. So दो ऑक्सीजन मिलकर बन रहा है ऑक्सीजन molecule, and that oxygen having a same type of atom, OO, and it is an element. So same type of atoms are there, so that's why it is an element. Now helium is an atom because there is no combination. Okay, it is single one, and single types of atom is there, only helium is present, and it is a element. Okay, so next is H2, that is a hydrogen. So H2 like O2, H is made up of H and H, है ना. So it is a molecule. H2 is a molecule and having a single type of atom in a molecule. So ये भी dash है. Then it is a element because element is a pure substances which having a same types of atom in it. Okay, now come to the next one, that is the ammonia, NH3. So NH3 is not a atom तो नहीं है. So it is also a molecule made up of a same or different types of atom is having in a molecule. Combination of atom we have learned. So it is a molecule. Single types of atom, no, इसमें single types of atom नहीं है because they are having a n nitrogen and a hydrogen, and having a different types of molecule. Okay, and it is not element, actually it is a compound because having a different types of atom. Next one is N2, that is a nitrogen. So nitrogen is a molecule having a single type of Nn, that is N2. Single type of atom, no different types of atom, and it is a element, not a compound. Okay, so remaining methane, argon, neon and chlorine, you have to solve this. This is a homework. From this to this is a homework for you, and it is very interesting and very easy to solve. So just do it, complete it in your textbook. Now remaining you have to solve. So let's come to the second point of the lecture, and that is an atomic theories. So here I mention the atomic theories. In this theory we have to learn the Dalton's atomic theory. So जैसे हमको पता है कि हमको लेसन में क्या पढ़ना है, इनसाइड द एटम में हमको देखना है अबाउट द एटम. सो द एटम्स theory given by different scientists, and so many scientists explain about that atom differently. जो पहले आया, जिसको पहले पता चला आफ्टर द डेमोक्रेटस, उसके बाद उन्होंने स्टडी की है और उसके बारे में स्टडी करके बताया है कि एटम क्या है, इंडिविजिबल है, देन इट कंटेन एनीथिंग इनसाइड और नॉट. सो लेट्स study the Dalton's atomic theory. So as I told you that Democritus, a Greek philosopher, come with an idea of an atom, and atom come from a Greek word that is atomos. We have already learned this. This atomos means indivisible. So that's why atom is a smallest particle of a matter or anything which is present in the world. So all form of matter is made up of a small particle, that is an atom. So what is a matter? What matter means, what you have learned in the previous class. Matter means a thing that occupy a place, having a mass, volume and all. So anything which is made up of, or matter which is made up of a small particle is called as an atom. An atom is a smallest indivisible part. So atom is the smallest uniform unit of all the forms or all the matter or everything. The first scientific theory about atom was given by a scientist named the John Dalton. See, it is here picture, and which is also in your textbook. So first theory was given by the scientist named John Dalton. He said that atom is a solid hard sphere. What is said? He said atom is a solid hard sphere. You know solid and hard. Sphere means a जिसको हम सर्कल या गोल बोलते हैं, like that. So what he said, atom is a solid. According to Dalton's theory, he said atom is a solid hard sphere. Okay, it is a neutral, that is it has no charge on it. And he also said it is neutral, that it is having a no charge, and no positive, no negative, nothing is there. So it is a neutral one. He gives some others point about the atom. Let's see. So according to Dalton, all matter is made up of particles called atom. Okay, example like a wall made up of bricks. You know that is wall is made up of a small bricks. So he said like a bricks, like a wall made up of a small bricks, matter is made up of a small atom. So similarly, all form of a matter made up of a tiny particles called as atom. Okay, so this is a theory of Dalton. He just said about the atom, about the structure, that it is a सॉलिड, हार्ड स्फेरिक, सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर है, हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर है और राउंड इन अ शेप. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू डेल्टन एटम इज अ सॉलिड हार्ड स्फेयर. To understand it better, he gives an examples of a bundi's laddu, which is already given in your textbook, that on page number 29. Here it is, and this activities no need to done because it is omitted for this year. So he gave an example like a bundi laddu. What he said about that, he said when we know that bundi is made up of a small bundi laddu is made up of a small bundis which are sticking by small particles. ठीक है ना. बूंदी कैसे बने, स्मॉल बूंदी से मिलकर बनती है और जब उसको मिक्स करते हैं तो हम बहुत हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर हो जाता है उसका और वो स्टिक हो जाती है आपस में सारी बूंदीज टू ईच अदर. सो हाउएवर द सॉलिड बॉल ब्रॉडली स्पीकिंग डज नॉट हैव एन इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. सो ये सेट जो सॉलिड रहता है पूरा वो उसका एक कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं रहता इंटरनल. सो द एटम एज डिस्क्राइब बाय डेल्टन टर्न्स आउट टू बी अ हार्ड, बट ही सेड एटम इज़ अ हार्ड सॉलिड स्फीयर अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम एंड विथ नो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. अगर से हम बूंदी के लड्डू को तोड़ते हैं उसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं तो वी कैन से स्मॉल बूंदीज कमिंग आउट, छोटी छोटी बूंदीज बाहर निकलती है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम दैट देर इज़ नो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इन अ एटम अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेल्टॉन्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो बूंदी लड्डू जैसा नहीं है बल्कि एक अलग तरह का है जिसमें कोई इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट नहीं, इंटरनल कोई चीज़ें प्रेजेंट नहीं है. लाइक सो ही सेड लाइक अ सॉलिड बॉल. ही गिव एन एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी कट अ बॉल. डेल्टॉन सेड, सो डेल्टॉन सेड व्हाट, अगर से हम बॉल को कट करते हैं तो वी कैन सी नथिंग इनसाइड इट. सो दैट्स just like the ball, atom has a structure, there is nothing on a inside. Okay, so according to Dalton atomic theory the mass is distributed uniformly in an atom and what he said it is a neutral one. यानी कि वो न्यूट्रल है, यानी जो उसमें मास है या उसके जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्जेस है वो यूनिफॉर्मली है, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ न्यूट्रल वन. सो he said about this and this is a Dalton's theory which he gives in 1803 AD में उसने दिया था ये theory को and celebrated as it a atomic theory also. So but after this theory next scientist come and he did some experiment and according to experiment he said there are some charges is present and inside an atom have a mass, कुछ मास भी रहता है which is 1800 टाइम लेस देन अ हाइड्रोजन एटम. सो दैट साइंटिस्ट इज नो थॉमसन, J.J. Thomson. After the Dalton's theory next theory come and given by a J.J. Thomson and he explained experimentally that there are some internal structure also in an atom, कुछ प्रेजेंट है एटम के अंदर जो मास भी रखते हैं. सो वी विल लर्न दिस थेरी इन अ नेक्स्ट एंड दैट इज़ अ थॉमसन प्लम पुडिंग मेथड और थॉमसन्स एटॉमिक थेरी. सो स्टडी, कीप स्टडी, स्टे होम, गुड लक एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.